good evening, everybody. The animal spirit wants you to know that magic works through you. You principle and rational, and they say you are staying in your truth, which is wonderful. But you have a situation that calls for honest and open communication. You must pay attention to your health. You must simplify your life and drink water or eat foodstuffs that have got water in it. There are changes in your life, and it's time to make decisions. Be clear on what you want and then take action. You don't need anyone else's approval. There has been temporary problems, but you're moving forward positively, and it's time for you to bring the fun back into your life. Release yourself from burdensome situations and cleanse your energy. You have overcome so much. The world card is here, and they say there's a lot of happy endings coming into your life, and you have gained so much growth and insight, spiritual growth and insight. There's You've got a new attitude, so that's great, and you've set healthy boundaries for yourself. You always needed to defend every single thing you had to do. But the angel card wants you to know that you can take great pride in your excellent work. Practice makes perfect. Consider extra training on something that you're good at. You're going to get very good news coming in soon, and you will know, they want you to know that you are never alone. There's great fortune coming your way. The Sun card is here and it says life is wonderful. Thrive through the power of positive thinking. Take things slowly, there's no need to rush your life. And it says emotional healing. Allow your heart to mend. There is great changes coming into your life, and it is going to be for the better. Thank you all for listening. I love you all. Night, night.